Adolescence is the time of your life where you transition from a child into an adult. Adolescence involves both physical and emotional changes. Emotional changes mean that many adolescent teenagers experience mood swings. The physical changes that your body goes through is called puberty, and we'll look in detail at those next. We'll first look at the changes that happen to both boys and girls during puberty. Pubic hair and underarm hair grows. Body odour becomes stronger. They grow taller. And many will experience spots or acne. Now we'll look at the changes that only happen to girls during puberty. They develop breasts. Their hips widen. They start having periods, and because of their periods, their ovaries release one egg per month. Changes which happen to boys during puberty include their voice gets deeper, their penis and testes get bigger, their testes start producing sperm, they get body hair in places such as their face and chest, and their shoulders widen. The changes that occur during puberty are caused by hormones, which are chemical messengers that travel in the blood. The female hormone is called estrogen, and it is produced in the ovaries. The male hormone is called testosterone, and it is produced in the testes. Hi guys, if you enjoyed that last video, then please click on the screen to subscribe. You can also find all my videos in one place at gcserevisionmonkey.com. If you're a teacher, check out the Key Stage 3 package at sciencesurgery.com. It contains all of the Revision Monkey videos as well as loads more Key Stage 3 resources.